How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with Young Bass. I'm in my garage. Very detailed background for you guys today. So I did make an intro to this outing. Went out with my dad. We did some catfishing. He's been watching my videos. He's like, son, why don't you ever take me catfishing? I'm like, I do. You just never go with me, you know? And then we finally made the effort to like go out together and just spend time together, just do some catfishing, because that's what he taught us like growing up. And we love catfishing. It's a lot of fun. They're tasty. They're fun to fight. They're fun to target. They're fun to just sit out and do nothing. Catfishing's fun. You gotta try it. But anyways, I made an intro. I'll probably save the intro for the beginning of like this outing, right? And I'm not gonna put it in this video because it's special and it's separate. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into my combo, because a lot of you guys been asking me like, what's your rod and reel combo? What's your line? Your rig? Da da da. We're gonna answer very quick, and then you guys can go ahead and watch the catfish beatdown my dad and I put in this video. So let's get right to it. So right off the bat, we're gonna talk about the reel first. This is a Okuma Citrix. Okay, you guys see that right there? It's a size 364, I believe. If I'm wrong, just go on the website. It's not the 400, that's for sure. It's like the 300 model. This is the left-hand retrieve reel. But yeah, this is the reel, Okuma Citrix. So check it out. They're awesome for the price. They're amazing. They're powerful. They can do pretty much everything you want to do with it. So for the rod is a Syncroid Mojo Cat. This rod is pretty old. I don't even think they make these anymore. I found it at Fleet Farm by the clearance rack. It was like $100 or something like that, and I thought I'd give it a shot. There was two of them, so I bought both of them. I mean, this is the only catfish rod I have. This is the description right here. It works. Check it out. I mean, I don't think they make it anymore, but this is the rod that I've been using. So it's been good to me. I've been short fishing with it, bow fishing with it, drifting bobbers and stuff like that, soaking baits. It does the job. So yeah, for my line, I have this orange Suffix 30-pound mono. Reason why I go with mono, because I like that forgiveness when I'm sending the hook on that channel or flathead in deep water. Braid, you might tear a hole too big in their mouth and they might pop off. I go 30. This one right here that I travel with, that way I can cast bar out. It's strong enough for me to pitch into like rocky areas, laydowns and stuff like that. And it's also like, you know, strong enough to get the fish out if I need to. So let's talk about the rig really quick. This is the float that I got from Myers. The brand is right there. I can't really see it from here, but you guys see it. But I do have a slip bobber thing up here. My bead did break off. I don't know what happened to it, but it's gone. Bobber on the main line, and then it goes into like this. Jeez, and I'm hooking everything. And then it goes into this bead egg sinker that's 1/2 ounce bead to a swivel to 25 pound. I go 25 to 30 mono, right? Don't go fluoro, I go mono. And right here I have a circle hook, which I don't like. It's just that I ran out my J hook or my octopus hook, but this is a size 6. I like going 6 to 7. If I'm fishing thinner line, then I'll go, you know, like 4 or 5, but I always just use like 6 or 7. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little talk. It's just a very quick talk, so let's go ahead right into this video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in this video. Peace. All right, we're at the wall where we caught him last time. Let's get a new piece of shad out. They're all frozen still. It amazed me. Sheesh. I think you guys are gonna stay that frozen for long. I guess this live well does work. Ugh. Gosh, freaking frozen. There we go. Yep, we're on the freaking drift. That's a nice one. Stay down. Oh jeez, it's coming right at me. There we go. There we go. Yeah, nice channel. That's a nice eater right there. Yep, no, chill, right, death rope. Nice eater. There we go. Good channel cat. Yeah. I knew it wasn't crazy. I felt the thunk earlier. Oh, it's a drop right there. Jeez. I got no stringer or anything. Nice fish. Ooh, he took the energy from me. That was a good drift. As soon as I let the line slow down a little bit, dude crushed it. That's a nice eater. Oh, how the heck do we do this? Yeah. Cũng lão tù. Yeah. Chua chi thang sơ. Alright, so I don't want fish to escape. I'm gonna have to bleed them. That way it doesn't gain the energy to leave. Plus, bleeding your fish is good for you anyways. There we go. Now it's bleeding. Come on, kitty cat. Just one more. One more. Oh, there we go. Yep, we got him. We got him. Oh, we got him. There we go. Yes. It's coming right at me. Oh, jeez. It's a fighter. Oh, yeah. Look, he's trying to go back on the deck. Look at him go. Let him go. Chill. Relax. He's taking me in a circle. That's a nice one. Yep, it's a good eater. It's a runner. Nice. Heck yeah. Right on the roof of the mouth. Stay, relax, relax. I'm trying to grab the tail. Oh geez, I got water in my sleeve. That's smart, David. Nice. I know, right? Get a net. Get a net. We don't need nets. We're hardcore like that. It's a nice catfish. Oh, look at that thing. Beautiful. Right on the roof. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright. Lesson learned. Don't lip channels. It's like a calm spot that the catfish usually hang out at. Oh, that's the snake. That's what I was telling you guys about. I gotta go get it. I'm gonna walk this wall here. Very careful. Yep, that's the snake I was telling you guys about. Stay right along the wall. I got it. Well, since we're already here, just drip it. Show you guys how deep it is. Look at that. It's like 5, that's like 4 feet. Oh my gosh. What the heck was that? Something tugged it. I felt like 3 taps. That was a fish. There he goes. There he goes. Yep. There we go. I knew he was over there. Oh, dude, it's a nice one. He's over there. I wasn't crazy, man. I felt that tap. Oh my gosh. Ah. There we go. It's a fighter. Look at him go. He's gonna go right there. Oh, jeez, jeez. Relax. Oh, that's a nice one. Stop, stop, stop it. Stop it. Relax. So now I gotta walk you back. And I'm nervous. There you go. It wasn't crazy. It was over there. Right on the roof of the mouth. Oh, jeez. He's just gonna walk back. Okay, just gotta keep pressure on him. Should be good. Again, you step anywhere off this wall, dude, you going in. Steep as heck. Dude, that's a nice one. Heck yeah. Oh man, look at that. And it popped right off. Look how fat and healthy she is. She's pooping out too. It's nice. The tail was all ripped up, so they were spawning or something. They were doing something down there. I actually got a fish, guys. I was letting my line out because I was trying to fix it. I wasn't even recording. He's not that big, but he's a fish. That's funny, dude. I was just letting my line out for the hell of it. It's a little guy. They try to stab you when they do that. See? All up in your eye now. Yep. There we go. Jeez. Oh, I saw that bobber dropped. That's the big dude. Oh, damn. That's the big dude. Saw that bobber drop. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's nice. 你落干捞啊？对。
搞我都不被我都过去介绍。
呀。啊，瞧着。啊，给你都买一勺哎。
这都好了。
都买一勺，瞧着。
着了。
呀。
这怎么说哎？
怎么了？
让你那个拍倒噻。
啊不要，照过来噻，带过来帮你拍，照。哈哈哈 ，that was super fast. Nothing. There we go. Yep. It's a nice one too. I missed him the first time. Yep. Oh geez. Airborne. I missed you the first time. Yeah. Yeah, so pretty. Cho tôi lên ta chịu ta. Tôi mất lại nó, mất lại.
Mà ăn được rồi. Ôi, ai xuôi vô nè.
Tông cáo á. Chơi top class á, chơi cũng một lại hả thôi. Nó coi rồi nha. Rong go.
Ôi, một đây tới hộp. Ta có hai lần ta chỉ yêu nụ để
你包好，也你只比我高。
可是你去看嘛。